The BRP Waray LC-288 stands as one of the most reliable and battle-ready landing craft utility vessels of the Philippine Navy. Built with durability and strength, this ship has proven to be a vital link between the islands of the Philippines, carrying troops, supplies, and hope to places where few other ships can reach. The Waray's story began far from Philippine shores. Originally constructed for the Royal Australian Navy as part of the Balikpapan-class landing craft heavy series, it was designed to endure rough seas and perform amphibious landings on difficult coastlines. Years later, after its service in Australia, the ship was transferred to the Philippines, beginning a new chapter under a new flag and new purpose. Renamed BRP Waray, in honor of the brave and resilient Waray people of the Visayas, the vessel became a proud symbol of partnership, progress, and service to the Filipino nation. The ship measures about 44.5 meters in length and over 10 meters in width, powered by twin diesel engines that give it a modest but dependable speed of up to 10 knots. While not the fastest ship in the fleet, it is built for endurance and stability. It can travel over 1,300 nautical miles without refueling, making it ideal for long missions across the scattered islands of the Philippines. With a crew of only 13 officers and sailors, the BRP Waray can transport up to 180 tons of cargo, enough space to carry military vehicles, heavy equipment, and hundreds of troops. This versatility allows it to perform not just in combat support, but also in humanitarian and disaster relief operations. In a country struck by frequent typhoons, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions, ships like the Waray are often among the first to respond. They carry food, water, and medicine to isolated communities. They deliver construction materials for rebuilding destroyed homes and infrastructure. In times of peace, they serve as the Navy's workhorses, moving soldiers, supplies, and vehicles where they are most needed. The open cargo deck and shallow draft allow the Waray to land directly on beaches without the need for ports, making it indispensable during emergency relief missions. Since joining the Philippine Navy in 2015, the BRP Waray has participated in numerous missions that highlight the Navy's growing capability and cooperation with allied forces. It has joined naval exercises with the United States, Australia, and other ASEAN countries, enhancing the skills and coordination of Filipino sailors. It has also played a crucial role in transporting relief goods and personnel to provinces hit by disasters such as super typhoons and flooding. Every mission it undertakes strengthens not only the Navy's operational readiness, but also the bond between the armed forces and the Filipino people. The BRP Waray's history reminds us that true strength lies not only in firepower, but in service and resilience. Its transformation from an Australian vessel to a Filipino lifeline represents how partnerships between nations can produce enduring benefits. Today, the ship stands as a silent guardian of the seas, carrying out missions that bring safety and stability to the archipelago. Whether it is delivering soldiers to defend the nation's borders or bringing aid to storm-ravaged villages, the BRP Waray fulfills its duty with steadfast dedication. Its name is fitting, as the Waray people are known for their bravery and perseverance in the face of hardship. Similarly, the ship and its crew embody the same courage, navigating dangerous waters and harsh weather to accomplish their mission. It is not just a vessel made of steel and machinery. It is a floating symbol of compassion, unity, and sacrifice. Each wave it crosses tells a story of service to the country, to the people, and to the future of maritime security in the Philippines. The BRP Waray LC-288 may not be a large or heavily armed warship, but its importance cannot be overstated. It represents the unsung heroes of the Navy, the sailors who work tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring that the country's military and humanitarian efforts reach even the most remote shores. The vessel's presence assures the Filipino people that wherever help is needed, their Navy will be there, ready to respond. As it sails through the waters of the Pacific and the South China Sea, the BRP Waray continues to prove that strength is not only about power, but also about purpose, endurance, and heart.